When you sit down with a reading passage, it can sometimes feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of finding the main idea step by step. Let's dive right in. First, take a moment to skim the passage. Look at the title, headings, and any subheadings. These elements often give you clues about the overall topic. Think of them as signposts that point you in the right direction. What do you think the passage is about based on these? Next, read the first and last sentences of each paragraph. These sentences usually contain key information. The first sentence often introduces the main point, while the last one wraps it up. Pay attention to any repeated ideas or words. They can signal what the author considers important. Now let's talk about context. As you read, ask yourself questions. What is the author trying to convey? What are the key points being made? If you notice a lot of detail, remember that these details support the main idea. They're like the supporting characters in a story, helping to flesh out the main plot. After you've read through the passage, take a moment to summarize it in your own words. This is crucial. If you can explain the passage to someone else, you're likely grasping the main idea. Try to condense it into 1 or 2 sentences. What's the essence of what you just read? If you're still unsure, look for the thesis statement. This is often found in the introduction or conclusion. It's the author's central argument or point, and it's usually clearly stated. Identifying this can provide a solid foundation for understanding the entire passage. Another helpful tip is to identify the tone of the passage. Is it persuasive, informative, or narrative? The tone can give you insight into the author's intention and help clarify the main idea. Lastly, don't forget to consider the audience. Who is the author writing for? Understanding the target audience can help you interpret the main idea more accurately. Remember, finding the main idea is a skill that takes practice. The more you read and analyze, the better you'll become at it. So, the next time you tackle a reading passage, use these steps as your roadmap. With a little patience and persistence, you'll be uncovering main ideas like a pro in no time. Happy reading!